My name is Jonathan. I was in a very tough position. I hadn't seen my daughter for about 10 months. Went through a very, very brief marriage. We were separated for a while, and a long story led to me not being able to see her. I'm reaching out to the mother. No, would not respond to any of my messages, and it was sleepless nights, many sleepless nights. Out of nowhere, it was a weird situation. Out of nowhere, I get a restraining order. I haven't even seen my daughter. It was the craziest thing. Had to fight that first, but I didn't hire this particular firm for the divorce case. I'm online one day, and it was literally following a prayer. I said, God, just take me to the right place. And I looked on, I saw Bailey Galyen, and when I spoke to Anna, immediately I could feel it was so personal. She just talked, just heard my situation, heard everything. The first court hearing, because it was kind of at the last minute too. I'm in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm a traveling comedian, and really couldn't make it. I've always been able to get there. Couldn't make this one. She went in for me. Next thing I know, I'm getting a call. Monday, you're gonna see your daughter. Told me all the notes, everything, and I was elated. I was in the gym, and I ran out of the gym and ran around the parking lot because I hadn't seen my kid, and I cried. I hadn't seen my kid in 10 months. And I just called and I said, thank you so much. And we just talked, and like I said, I immediately just began to feel how much she cared. And we just met. It just showed me, I was like, this is a different type of law firm. Most law firms is very cut dry. I'll do this, pay me because I have to, you know what I mean? That's the feeling you felt. I did not feel this with them. So I'm seeing my daughter now. The visits are short, but I'm enjoying what's happening in the moment. A few weeks go by, there were some problems, complications with the mother. Went back to court. Anna was able to get me more time with my daughter. Now I'm seeing my daughter from Monday to Wednesday. My story is, you hear all the details, is pretty crazy. The mom was trying crazy stuff, making up stories about me, and Anna fought every single one of them. I've been making up. If you know me, anybody who knows me personally would know the stories the mother made up were absolutely bogus. But this is a mother who had lost primary custody to a prior husband. So, she was just going as hard as she could to make me look like the worst person in the world in order to just secure custody. We actually ended up making it worse. Anna used honesty to fight my case. So I'm getting my daughter Monday through Wednesday now. Once again, my mother, she brings up all these crazy things, making up things I'm doing to my daughter, which were completely bogus, calling CPS, all this. Anna took it all in. She didn't get overwhelmed. A lot of attorneys, when you were calling them with things or emailing them, you can feel they don't want to be bothered almost. But Anna was not that. She was taking it all in, just like, okay, just using it. Okay, we'll take this. We'll do it. We'll fight it. And just on top of it, and expedient too. Would get stuff back. Oh, just got that done. Sent this in, sent that in. Just always just on top of everything. I've experienced a lot of attorneys where it's like you got to wait days and days and days for them to get back to you, And you understand that they're dealing with different cases, but you would think, hey, they know how to delegate their own workload. And we go back in, fight some more stupid stuff my ex-wife is doing, and I get more time with my daughter. Now we went back to court this past November. Anna's now got me primary custody of my child. When this happened, I was so emotional, and Anna gave me a hug, showed the person she was, showed the firm that she works for. And I got in the car, and I didn't even know what to do. It was emotions flying everywhere, that I'd gone from not seeing my daughter for 10 months to now having her in my possession. And being a father and having this time with her has been the most fulfilling thing ever to me. So that's what Bailey Galyen has done for me, is just completely turned my situation around completely. And that's where I am now.